Hey there, I am Shahadat from SHADAT'S DAYOUT. Please subscribe. I am came back the first unboxing video. Today I will unboxing the Bluetooth earphone QC9. I own this Bluetooth earphone from YouTube, Asif Hasan Rafi YouTube channel. Asif Hasan Rafi YouTube channel link description line. I own this headphone 6 months ago, but today I give the video. Charging adapter, and this is the Q29 Pro earphone. Comment on what you want to see next and give me thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Your support means a lot to me.